the knowledge of calligraphy will incomplete without numerical calligraphy study, right? So we'll follow how to write the whole numbers in calligraphy way. So we'll start with 0 and we'll continue 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My dear learner, this way, after learning 0 to 9, we are able to create in calligraphy way any kind of number, either single digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, or infinite digits. Okay, so just follow and continue the same with me. Thank you. To create numbers, we'll take 4 horizontal boxes and 5 vertical boxes, right? So start with O. We are turning the box 1:1 here, 2:2, just right hand side, 4:1, 3:2, and in down 1:5 and 2:2, 4:2, 4:3 and 4:4. Then we'll do shading this particular boxes, right? It will be O, or you can say 0. We'll take inclined line of 2:1 in this particular box, and we'll do shading this 2:2, including this triangular part, and vertical of 3:3 all boxes, and we'll do shading this box and this box. It will take form of 1. 2. We'll turn 1:1, again 2:2, 4:1, 2:3. Then inclined line will draw here, this point to this point, and this point to this point. It will take form of 2. Just do shading here, this particular area which we have covered, right? And it will take form of 2. This is 2. 3 will just turn 4:1 and 3:2 here, followed by just down 4:3 and 4:5 here. Then we'll take in middle part, this boxes will do shading, this particular box 3:3, and we'll turn here in this particular 3:3 and 3:3. It will take shape of 3. We'll just do shading the vertical upper boxes, vertical lower boxes, and the area we have developed here, that much area. It will take shape of 3. 4. We'll take 3:3 vertical box, all boxes. Then we'll turn 2:3 inclined line, and this middle part of 3:4, this middle point. We'll do shading here, and this 4:1 and 4:2 till 3. It will take shape of 4. To write 5, we'll take all horizontal boxes, top boxes. Then we'll continue 2:1, the same box, and we'll turn 3:3 and 4:3 this box. Right now 3:4 lower part and 5:4. It will take shape of 5. We'll just do shading these horizontal boxes turn respect to you have drawn the line, and the lower horizontal boxes it will take shape of 5. To write 6, we'll just turn here 1:1 box, 2:2 here, and we'll do shading the upper vertical boxes here, right, and continue 5:1 and 2:4. Then we'll continue these vertical boxes and just turn here 4:3 and 5:5, and we'll do shading of this particular middle boxes, vertical 2 boxes, and continue the lower horizontal boxes. It will take the shape of 6. To write 7, we'll take all horizontal top boxes and we'll continue 3:4, this lower box to 5:2, and we'll draw an inclined line, as well as 2:3 to the last point of 4, and we'll draw another inclined line and do shading part of this. It will take a shape of 7 number. The 8 digit will just turn 1:1, 2:2, 4:1, 2:3, just same in down, 1:5, 2:4, 3:4, and 4:5. We need to do shading of middle 2 boxes first, and we'll try to turn this 3:3 here and in this particular to give the shape of 8, and we'll turn inner part of this and this boxes 2:2 as well as 3:2 and 4:2 as well as 3:4. Then we'll do shading the upper vertical areas, then the area we have developed sidewise. It will take a shape of 8 digit. Just opposite of the 6 digit, it will take shape of 9. We'll turn 1:1, 2:2, 4:1, 2:3, and the lower 3:4 and 5:4, and we'll continue the shading here. The upper horizontal boxes, the right side vertical boxes, lower horizontal boxes, the middle areas here, and these 2 vertical boxes, and of course we'll turn here also 3:1. It will take shape of the 9 digits. Thus we can develop all the whole numbers including 0 to 9. You can write any kind of digits, which is also very important part of calligraphy. Without this number system you can't finish any calligraphy work.